Go! Okay. All right. Oh. Word of advice, Oren, don't do that.
Oh my God.
She stopped in the $100 zone, but someone might bump her further. Go!
Knocking her out.
Oh.
She's probably not even gonna get past halfway.
Oh, collision!
Oh!
Well, I give you five.
I'm trying not doing both out my way. I'm trying to get to the moon.
Oh, she's got speed. Oh!
No way!
Purple's gonna win 10 grand unless green knocks her off. Oh! Purple is officially in the 10K and blue. You're also the 10K blue!